Hey guys, welcome back. It's early in the morning for me. I actually found a problem with my header that I built. So I went ahead and welded that up. Flip the camera around and show you guys that real quick. So had to weld that little hole up. Goes in through there. Let's see if I can get some light in there. There you go. So yeah, so on these little factory geo manifolds, because that's all I used a stock manifold and turned it into a turbo manifold because it seemed fairly simple. I didn't pay attention and realize there was a hole there for the EGR return. And so after blocking off the EGR so the EGR doesn't cause me problems and so it's not going back into the engine, it basically just blew that little bit of the gasket. It was blowing out past there. There's no stud or bolt that goes through there to hold it down. So yeah, so I'll get that cleaned up. I'll grind it all down, make it look all nice and stuff. Right now it just kind of scraped up because it was on the ground. But yeah, so just kind of did a quick little weld, filled it in. Should be good. Grind it all down, clean it up, mount it back up, and then just waiting for the parts to come in the mail for the other pieces, and then we'll get that intercooler started, all the plumbing started, and I'll get you guys video of that so you guys can see all that, and then we'll take it out for a test drive again. Today though, we got going on, obviously take my pups to the dog park, and then I'll turn this around. Got the wife's it's a 2003 X5. It's got the 4.6, but I gotta change these, change her snow tires out, because well, she says she doesn't think it's gonna snow anymore, so, and she's probably right. So we just had one big snow here in the last week or so here in Colorado, which was the biggest one since I've been out here. Otherwise it really don't snow that much in Colorado unless you're up in the mountains. But we'll swap those out, put the 20s back on that come factory on it. I think the rear's like a 315 or 355 on the rear. It's big. But yeah, I'll get those back on. That's what I have going today. I think I need to put a new sensor in it, do a check engine light for no signal on one of the sensors. I got that already. It's a Bosch sensor. But yeah, got that right there. So we'll get that in there. Drive around, retest it. It is a Dynan Stage 5. It's got basically every bolt on, and then the Stage 4 trans tuning and Stage 5 engine tuning. Oh, I also have to finish running the hose back to the intake for the catch can. Right now it's just venting out into the air. But yeah, I want to get that finished up. We have another little BMW I need to get in here, but for now I think that's basically going to be it for what I'm going to do today, because I can't stay up too late working nights. I get tired after a while. I'm sure you guys know some of you guys who probably work some weird shifts, but stay tuned. Get a little video of going out with my pups, and then get you some video of some of the little repairs I'm going to do. So yeah, give me just a minute and I'll get back with you. One thing I forgot to tell you guys too, we got something new. We're gonna try it out. Got it from my dealer Rich, a Cornwall guy, good guy. But I'll show you from him. There we go. But yeah, she does just about everything. She's nice. He's having a sale on them right now. Normally they run a little over $2,000. I think I got her for, I want to say like 18, but she's pretty nice. I can do just some basic welding using a regular household plug, or I can up it to the 230 volts. So it's pretty nice. It does aluminum, TIG, MIG. I mean, you name it, it does it all. So, but yeah, so we'll try that out. I got to do some welding on one of the other cars, and so once I do that, I'll get you some video footage of that, and I'll tell you what I think about it and see how nice it is. I mean, you could, I guess, go get a Harbor Freight one for cheaper, which I know a lot of people do, but because I'm a mechanic at a shop, I prefer to use the, the tool trucks, because if I got an issue, I just give it to them. They handle it for me. I don't like dealing with going into stores and doing all that stuff. And most of the time, anytime I buy something from Harbor Freight or anywhere else, I mean, it's good for quick little use and stuff, but I want something that's going to last a little longer, and normally these tools seem to last a little longer. So I'll get you some little bit of review on that once I get that going and do some welding with it and tell you guys what I think about it. So all right, stay tuned. Be back at you guys as soon as we'll go to dog park and get you a little dog park footage, and then get some working on the cars. All right, man, I'll be back at you guys. Where are we going? Dog park. Dog park. Dog park. At the dog park. Shelby and Nico. There they are. Nico! What are you doing? Chubby Boo! Shelby. And Nico. Chubby and Nico. What you guys doing? Let's see. The Rockies. Colorado Rockies. There's some snow back there, that's for sure. What are you doing? You got a ball? What'd you find? What'd you find? You found a ball. You want me to throw it? You want me to throw it? Here you go. I throw it. I throw it. Go get it. Look at those clouds. That's crazy. It's just breezy. I wonder if another storm's blowing in, because all those clouds this way. It looks like it.
I wonder if it would have been warmer to walk down on the bottom side.
Nico, what are you doing? Take it from him, Chubby. You ready? What do you want? You want this? What do you want? You want this? Yeah? Who wants this? You want this? Ready, go. Go get it. Nico's booking it. Well, guys, just got back. Dogs got super money at the dog park. That's where we got back from. Got the manifold all grinded down, sanded, cleaned up, got it installed. I'll show you that. So it's all back installed, new gasket and stuff. So that's all good. Like I said, for now, that's all we're really gonna do with this. If I can find some other stuff to do on it, I will. I do have the other cars to work on a little bit. Might go into work and actually put in a couple extra little hours. You know, money's always good to pay for all this stuff, to buy stuff, upgrade it, you know. But I got some stuff to do. I got to go change out some tires and stuff. So I got to try to get over to storage and get that stuff. But so yeah, so I got some news. I'm going to be purchasing this, the Cleetus McFarlane 500. So I'm purchasing that. Comes with the Cleetus and cars. They got Travis Pastrana, quite a few people. Basically, go check it out. It looks like it's going to be pretty awesome. He's already posted some stuff up of them doing some crazy stuff with Travis Pastrana. But yeah, I'm purchasing that, and I'll be watching that here at like 6. So gonna go to bed after I do a couple things. Try to get into work, get a couple extra little hours there, and then get home and watch this. And I'll probably post that up, a couple clippets of how that went and if it was pretty awesome, then obviously you guys will know, because I'll show you guys some video footage on that. So All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you'd like to see or what you'd like us to get out and do. I think there's a couple car events that I'm going to try to go to. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm just going to start trying to get out there a little bit more and showing you guys some stuff that's going on and get the cars out and start cruising them. And so, thanks for watching.